Hello everyone, and welcome back to another RNA Weekly video. Today we're going back to a project we haven't filmed in over a year. Let's see how this beautiful 120-foot boardwalk settled after our installation. Despite this project being over a year old, we just recently cut down and leveled the wood pilings on either sides of the boardwalk. We decided to wait through an entire freeze and thaw cycle, or one full winter and spring, to see if the pilings were completely secured within the wetland ground. Due to this project being within the wetlands, we had to work with Eagle and create a permit to work in the space. We too want to preserve as much wetland space as possible, which is why we completed this project with minimum machine use and minimum impact on the surrounding wetlands. For lighting, we use recessed lights and space them out at every other post. We initially had the light shining straight up the posts, but we actually had to come back and install caps that made it so the light shined out the sides of each of the fixtures instead of the top. This is because when you're walking down the boardwalk, if the light's shining straight up the posts, it's also shining directly into your eyes. This long boardwalk turned out so nice that we even created a second one on the other side of the property. We have yet to cut and level those pilings, so we can't wait to show you that progress. Let us know in the comments what you thought about this project, and make sure to check out our last video at this site on our YouTube channel. Check back soon!